A retro video game system? Let's open the box. Dave Taylor here, and I just got this. This is the Blast from AtGames, and this is the Bandai Namco version, which means that it includes Dig Dug, Galaga, Galaxian, Mappy, Pac-Man, Spykid, the Tower of Druaga, and Xevious. But they've redone all of them with actually their controller and everything. So it has a wireless controller. They've redone the graphics so that it's HD at 1080i. Not quite 1080p, but still can look pretty darn good on a modern TV. You can save and load games, and you can even rewind the games to beat the level boss if you just keep finding it too hard. But I'm going to review that in a separate video. Right now, what I want to do is I want to just open the box and let's see what's inside. So, best way to do that is to actually open the box, and of course, since it has a little sticker, I didn't need my official box opening tool, a knife. So, let's see what's in here. So, there's a tray and there's some paperwork. Let's see what's going on. So the paper is the instruction manual, always helpful, and some very amusing and very nice little Pac-Man stickers. I'm pretty sure my kids will want to snag that. And then how this system works is they actually have a receiver unit, and then they have the handle. The player is actually just handheld, and it's pretty light. In fact, I can hear something in there. I think it's probably because I need to put a battery in, but it's a really cool idea. So this is HDMI. So this is like an HDMI receiver unit. You plug it in, you're good to go. Now, I do notice there's a little power here, a little micro USB, and I noticed over here in the box, there's a micro USB cable. So I have a feeling I'm gonna need to figure out how to power this. But it's also the case that since this has a battery, let's see what it's looking for here. Looks like 2 AAAs, that's easy enough. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that rattle will go away once I put batteries in. So 2 AAAs in this, you play this and have all sorts of fun. And then this probably, some TVs actually have power on their HDMI, pretty sure mine doesn't. So this one I'll probably have to figure out power to. So it doesn't come with a charger, it just comes with the cable. So not a huge crisis, but something worth knowing. Now, I'm not gonna actually hook it up right now because I know you want to, and I know I really wanna play these games, but I'm just doing an unboxing, and hey, there's nothing else in the box now. So what I can show you is I can show you a couple of photos from the company. So the first one here is, this is the main control screen, and you can see how you access all the different games. So that looks pretty fun. I assume there's 2 pages to it because all the games that I mentioned are not on that screen. But seriously, mostly I just want this to play Pac-Man. I like Pac-Man. It's like a great old school video game. And then if you're actually playing a game, here's what it's going to look like. So it's not glorious. They haven't redone the graphics to make it 3-dimensional with VR or anything like that. But old classic games, I'm guessing they're probably using the original code from the original games, and it's all tucked into this nice little wireless handheld unit. How nice is that? And I can see on the top there's an on-off switch, so it's exactly what you want. And this is super fun. $29.99 at games.net. So you definitely will want to come back, and I'll actually see if I can drop a link in here so you can come back and you can actually see the review, at which point I will actually show you some of the games in action. But for now, unboxing, pretty straightforward. They haven't put a ton of effort into making this the most beautiful interior, but you know what? It is totally functional, and I am ready to go and plug it in and get a blast of Bandai Namco gaming. So if you are so inspired, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I appreciate that. And otherwise, I will catch you in my next video.